I would say right now we've shifted from what was previously a seller's market over into a buyer's market.
Realtor Destiny Roxas says interest rates, which according to government-backed Freddie Mac currently sits just under 7%, and inventory is largely behind the current housing market conditions.
Well, the entire real estate market is cyclical, so there's always going to be a back and forth and an ebb and flow. So obviously with interest rates that are higher, of course, it's going to be a lot more difficult for affordability for, the average American. So it's going to have people pull back. But I think what we have been seeing within the last several years is that interest rates are not going to go back to where they were during the pandemic eras.
She says that might eventually lead to lower prices in the future.
Zillow did come out with that report saying that the prices are expected to go down a bit, but it's really coming down to how effectively you price your home. At the end of the day, your home is worth what a buyer will pay for it.
And in this case, that could be the million-dollar question. Kelvin Henry, NBC 7.